Greetings, comrades! This is Caleb back with another unboxing video. It's been a while since I've done an unboxing video as well. I've been saving up for some other things, and I'm gonna have another unboxing video Tuesday. And it's going to coincide to a big announcement I'm making, and yeah, we'll go from there. But for now, I recently ordered a few more controllers. I actually ordered them a week ago. And there were a few Black Friday deals going on, so I decided to jump on these, especially on one of them, because it was a pretty good price for it. I'm curious how it is. And yeah, a few more controllers for me to review, which I already had my first review up a few days ago. I'm gonna have another one up later. But yeah, we're going to show off these controllers with a little knife here, a little Sheffield. And I might as well start the small one first. And this controller I was really curious about because I've seen a few YouTubers cover it, like Gears and Tech. Some of these are smaller, like gaming channels that cover this. And they say it's a pretty good controller with a few minor downsides, which will I'll check those out when I review it. But I was really curious about this. The PXN P50 wireless game controller. You can tell it's from China. And might as well read the things here. So yeah, it is compatible with the Switch and the PC, supporting both wireless and wired connection. Developed an advanced app for buttons programming. Supports one button to wake up Nintendo Switch. So that's pretty good. A lot of third-party controllers don't do that. Built-in 6-axis gyroscope for precise motion control in games. That's cool. Another thing a lot of third-party control. I can talk today. Another thing a lot of third-party controllers don't have. Built-in NFC, another big thing a lot of controllers don't have. Like even my beloved 8-bit Ultimate controller doesn't have NFC. Yeah, built-in institute for native playing of Nintendo Switch games. Designed with turbo button to support linear turbo function. With asymmetrical dual motor and adjustable vibration intensity. And built-in 550 milliamp hour lithium battery. And intelligent power saving to make the gamepad last longer. So yeah. Mainly got it because it looks pretty simple, but again, I've seen videos of it and I've been curious about it, so I figured I'd go and jump on it. And this controller, normal price is only like 25 bucks, but I got it for like less than 20. So that's pretty cheap. This might be another case if you get what you pay for, but you know, won't know until I try it out. There's a little sleeve. That's good. Give me 1 second. Tripod there so the table's not shaking it around. And P50 wireless gaming controller. I can't tell which side's the top. I'm going to assume this is. And there it is. Okay, it's got some cushioning here. Got some instructions as well as a QR code for the app. Okay, so here's a controller. And I guess the cables in the little box at the bottom there. It's kind of stuck on there. There we go. Yeah, pretty simple packaging, but you know. And it's kind of stuck in there. There we go. Okay, so there's a Type-C cable for the controller, you know, charging and for using it, wired. It's a pretty short. Yeah, it's a fairly short cable, but I have a bunch of other Type-C cables that are a little longer, so I can use those if this one doesn't work out. But yeah, got the instructions here, you know, don't eat it, don't shove it up your ass, you know, don't use it as a nuclear device, you know, stuff like that. Okay, so let's set this aside. And let's go and pick up the controller and... it feels, wow. I was expecting it to feel a little bit cheaper than this, but it feels pretty solid. And this may sound weird. Actually, it's actually bigger than I thought. I thought it'd be just a teensy bit smaller than this, but it actually fits pretty well in my hands. It's got the joysticks here. They feel nice. There's a D-pad. Now, this is a common complaint I've heard about this controller. The D-pad. Not so much for the shape, but especially how it works. Which I'll test that out later on. So how it is. You know, minor scuffs here and there, but you know, what do you expect? This controller's only $20, so you can't ask for everything. And we got some nice little. Feel nice and responsive. I'm curious. These are pretty big, bigger than I thought they'd be. Yeah, I can reach these pretty well. They do feel a little cheap, just a little. You know, you don't know if you can tell it's not a third-party controller, but it's not a first-party controller, I should say. But we'll see how it goes. You got the plus and minus buttons, the home button, screenshot button, the infinity button, which I guess is for turbo, and we got the back pedal buttons, which it's kind of weird to press. They do have a little like swoop inside here, so you can actually feel back there. But and I kind of prefer the 8-bit Ultimate controllers pedal grip buttons when I'm like right here, or even the Xbox Elite controller. But we'll see how they work. So it really feels nice. I'm going to charge this up and set up. This won't be my next controller review though. I'm going to review another controller, and then I'll try this out. I'm going to give it at least a week of play and see how it goes. See how I feel of it, how it feels, you know, how it responds, and stuff like that. Okay, so that's the PXN P50. Now this is a more expensive controller. Now this used to be even more expensive because the MSRP for this is $130, but I got it for like $75, so almost half off. So I figured I want to try it out. I mainly got this because I want a portable controller for the Steam Deck, and yeah, I've heard some mixed things about this controller, but I'm still curious about it. Here it is, the PowerA MOGA XP Ultra. Includes a 1-month subscription to Game Pass, which tried it on the PC. Really nice enough. Am I going to keep subscribing to it? Probably not. Most of those games on Game Pass I can also play on Steam, so yeah. Yeah, play wireless in the Xbox, mapping buttons, and designed for Xbox. Yeah, this is actually an officially licensed product from Microsoft, the Xbox brand. So yeah, we'll see how it goes and see if it's worthy of that, you know, that certification. And I'm just gonna hold it this way. I know I'm gonna swap the. I'm gonna flip the recording so it's right set up. But yeah. So yeah, 2,000 mAh batteries. That's pretty big. 4.2 Bluetooth low energy. Maximum phone dimensions: 3.3¼ inch wide and 0.3 inches thick. May not be compatible with thicker phone cases. Yeah, this is the thing. Not only is this a controller for the Xbox and PC, it's also for mobile gaming because it comes with a clip. You can probably see here where you can like use a controller on your phone and stuff. So that's pretty interesting. But there's another feature that really got me into this, and I'll show right here. There's a gaming clip which holds the phone, of course. Magnetic impulse triggers. It's gonna be interesting. The mini pad. This is the reason I got this controller. So not too many controllers out there that do this. Basically, this whole controller here is a shell, and you can take this out, and it's a little mini pad. That's kind of what drove me to get this for the Steam Deck, because I'm used to the Xbox layout, but at the same time, I still want something that's kind of portable. You can take off this grip, and then you have a small controller and stuff, all the buttons and stuff. Curious how it feels in my hand, and I'm curious, you know, how it works out. Because this is like I said, this controller is $130 MSRP. I mainly got it because it was almost half off, so I figured, you know what, I might as well jump on it and see how it is. Yeah, of course, got a stereo jack, high capacity battery, so that lasts. Perfect for Game Pass Ultimate. Well, any Xbox controller would be perfect. Yeah, it connects to the Android, connects to the Xbox Series X and S, and Xbox One, and of course PC and Windows 10 and 11, which naturally that means it'll connect to the Steam Deck. And mappable advanced gaming buttons, and 4 ways to play. You can play with the mini pad, full-size controller, or either side with the gaming clip for your phone. But yeah, I'm really curious as it is. Since it's an officially licensed product, I'm curious how it is. You know, might be good, might be bad, I'm not sure. Okay. this out. I can already smell the chili cooking in the kitchen. Gotta love Instant Pots. What I'm doing is not cutting myself. Come on. I'm stubborn. There's a tape here. Maybe it's on the side. Oh, it's on the side, okay. Okay. So. Okay, it's not a sleeve, so just. Oh, it's not on the bottom, too. Might as well cut that, too. Just in case it pull out that way. There we go. Okay. It never hurts to have another Xbox controller, but again, I primarily got this for the Steam Deck. If I can break it down, it'll still fit in the case. Maybe I'll open it this way. Okay, this whole thing is just a sleeve. Okay. Okay, MOGA by PowerA XP Ultra. I have heard of PowerA. They're pretty well-known third-party for like Xbox controllers and stuff. And this is one of the more interesting offerings, and I kind of wanted to try it out. Okay, is it? No, it's. That's taped too. Okay, well, this is why I keep knives around, not just for self-defense. This motherfucker is sharp, I'll tell you that. There we go. Open it up, and there it is. Okay, so instructions here. I'll look for those. Here's that gaming clip. You can see it clip it onto the clip it onto your phone. Which it might fit my phone, but I'm not. That's not why I got this. I'm not a mobile gamer. I don't play games on my phone and stuff. For instance, the best thing I play is Sudoku. So yeah, this doesn't have much use for me, but you know, it's there. And of course, we got the controller itself. Anything under here? Yeah, we got the nice braided Type-C cable here, so that's nice. And code for Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. I'm not going to show it because, well, I'm going to use it. But yeah, I'm going to cover it though. Yeah, Xbox Game Pass, you know, get access to a bunch of games on your Xbox and PC for one low subscription price. Okay, so put this in. There we go. Nice packaging, I will admit. And here's the controller itself. And feels nice enough. Let's see, so we got two paddle buttons back here. Nice and clicky. Okay, triggers and bumpers feel good. There's the connection button there. Got the buttons here, and there's this little clip here. This is where you connect this gaming clip, which I'll test it out real quick. Feels kind of flimsy, so I'm not sure how this will hold a phone in the long run. Okay. Yeah, it does have like adjustable knobs here, so you can tighten it so it's not moving and stuff. So okay, I can kind of see the appeal of that. But again, I'm not a mobile gamer, so I'm probably not going to be using this that much. And then there's a tiny little Xbox button there. Joysticks feel okay, nice little texture in there, but yeah. D-pad is good. Buttons feel nice. And I think that's a Pro button, I'm not sure. Let me check the instructions. Looks like it's okay. Clip. Is this it? Surely there's like a more detailed instructions in this. Oh, you have to download it, the QR code. Okay, well, all that packaging they can't fit in an instruction manual, a proper instruction manual. Yeah. I mean, it seems pretty straightforward. If you hold one, you use one controller, you use them all. But of course, this is another trick up his sleeve. You saw that clip, but this is what drew me to get this controller. Press this here, and now it's a mini controller, which is surprisingly bulky. But I can still press the triggers and bumpers very well. Pretty bulky for a portable controller, but no, I was curious about it, that's why I got it. So I'm curious how this will play in the long run. Yeah, definitely gonna test it on the Steam Deck and maybe the PC. I primarily got this for the Steam Deck because I want a portable Xbox controller, and I don't think it'd get much portable than this without too many compromises. So, yeah, the little connectors here, which I guess that's how these grip buttons will work. And, yeah, the shell itself feels surprisingly solid. I would hope so, given that this is a $130 controller. Again, I got it for half off. It just snaps in and, yeah, full-size controller again. So yeah, I'm curious how this is going to play out. So, that's this unboxing. In a few more days, I'm going to have another unboxing correlating to a big announcement. Not for the channel itself, but more like, you know, a lot of music for the channel. So yeah. So, showed off the MOGA XP Ultra from PowerA and the P50 from PXN. Curious how these controllers are going to play out, and I'll definitely review them at a later date. So until then, this is Domini Caleb signing out. Have a good day.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.